Hi everybody. This is your assignments for your first week assignments for color. You're going to be doing a color wheel and then there's a sketchbook assignment. And the color wheel you're going to design is going to be more than just a circle divided into shapes, like what I've been showing you. There, of course, must be the 12 colors that you get, but then each color you divide into 7 sections and add the original color in the middle of that section, and then 3 tints where you gradually add white, and then 3 shades where you gradually add black. And I mean gradually. A little bit will do the trick for this. And so you must come up with a design, and the wheel should not be a wheel necessarily like the ones I've been showing. You can come up with any shape that you can think of. And you are doing this in acrylic paints. Okay, so I just wanted to show you some that I have come. You can also use a mid-gray. Okay, so that's the only other color that you can use. So this student decided to do this pyramid shape. And each side of the pyramid is divided into 7. And whoops, sorry. So the middle color, let's see here is the original hue, the pure color. Then you add a little bit of white, a little bit more white, a little bit more, okay? And then the same with the black. The black tends to go dark really quickly, especially in the blues. So be careful, we're talking a little bit. I thought this design was kind of interesting. Here's a Boy Scout design. Very clever. And the 7 sections are, some of them get pretty small, but they're all there, so that's really good. Here's these are older ones, but this is another one done really well. A leaf. Now my issue is, look how dark these get. You start to not be able to see the difference here. So when you're doing yours, you can't see them on this side so well, but you can see them so great on the others. So when you're doing this, just pay attention to that. You may have to add a little bit more blue, more of that original hue to brighten it up a little bit. Each leaf was divided into 7 sections. Clever and pretty interesting. This one, it took me forever to really count all the colors, but it worked out. And it's kind of got this wild style graffiti thing going on, which was pretty cool. This one a little bit more simple, but again, a very interesting design. This one was kind of fun too. And then I like how the waves kind of flame in this, and then the flames have the great shape. This was another one. They used the whole paper. This, I think, worked out well. This was fun too. I've had some really great ones, so I need to go find them all, but this is a little bit trickier. I kind of I know for the student they would get kind of lost, and each semester it seems like I have someone who tries this and they never kind of finish. So be careful if you're doing this continuous tube thing. Okay, for your sketchbook, after you've completed your color wheel, which will take a good amount of the week. It will, I'm not going to lie to you. Then I want you to pick what color you found the most beautiful. And in your sketchbook, I want you to draw a couple, or paint, or color in a couple color fields. So on your sketchbook, draw a rectangle or square, not too big, not too small, and then play with that color. So play with that color, add white, add black, play with its analogous color, the color that's next to it on the color wheel, to get a little bit more depth in there. And there's something just really simple and beautiful about just one color, but when it has kind of a little bit more to it, right? Mark Rothko, who is probably my most favorite painter ever, did these really large scale paintings, and I just love them.